Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and opening Mojo Launcher. This saves time and prevents dead ends. Make sure your device is online and the launcher is up to date, then tap the profile or settings icon to begin. You'll need your Microsoft email and password, and if you use two-factor authentication, have your authenticator or SMS ready. Once done, choose Add Account in the Launcher menu and select Microsoft to proceed to authentication steps. Now enter your Microsoft credentials precisely and tap Sign In. The launcher hands off to Microsoft to validate so don't interrupt network access. When prompted, review and accept the requested permissions. These control profile sync, calendar, and launcher personalization, because denying them can limit features. If two-factor authentication appears, type the code from your authenticator or SMS. Make sure your time sync is accurate on the device. Once validated, the account finish by confirming the account shows as connected in Mojo's account list and allow initial sync to complete. This populates shortcuts and preferences. Customize which data to sync and adjust profile or widget permissions to suit your workflow. If something goes wrong, the most common fixes are clearing the launcher cache, ensuring device time/date is correct, and reconnecting to Wi-Fi or mobile data before retrying sign-in. If issues persist, remove and re-add the account to force a fresh token exchange.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.